Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. On the DOT chart, we have seen a potential 5-wave move to the upside, as suggested before. Yesterday's video we looked at that and we highlighted, we can count 5 waves up. It's not crystal clear 5 waves. The main problem I have with this structure is that this move down was a little bit short, okay, also in duration. So it's not very reliable, but we can count 5 waves up. So I'm watching for a potential pullback in wave 2. A few things to highlight here. So ideally, in the most simple form, we're just forming an ABC structure and the C wave is coming down now. Would reach anywhere between $4.87 to $3.96. This is the standard support level or range for a wave 2. It's not only it's not only about watching for the support levels. We can also use the Fibonacci extensions to identify certain projections, and then we can use this tool to identify potential targets for the C wave. And typically we use the area between the 100% extension and the 161.8 extension. They're not super reliable, but they are levels to watch. So we have here $4.93 and $4.46 as key levels to watch, which I'm going to add to the chart as extensions. They're just additional levels to watch. So that's important to understand. Also pay attention to the descending trend line of this price channel that has been with the DOT chart for a while. There was a channel here. I just deleted the lower boundary line anyway. But so that's one way of how this could develop. So just a simple ABC structure. The B wave can also unfold as a triangle. So we might see a little bit further sideways action. I'm just highlighting that because if I look at the microstructure here, it starts to look like a 3-wave move here, this move, yeah. So what we could say is potentially, and that is just purely speculative at this stage, this was the A wave of a triangle. This was the B wave. Then we get the C wave in an A, B, C structure. Then we get a D wave, and then we get an E wave. And that would then be, oh, 1 second. No, this would be the A wave, then A, B, C, D, E in wave B. And we would then come down. If we see a triangle, it will take a while to play out. We might be in this range for a little while. It's going to be very interesting. The thing is, I cannot rule out another extension higher. As I said, this is not very clearly a 5-wave move. So if we see a triangle, then we might say, okay, maybe this was the 3, maybe this was the 4 in a triangle, and we get one more high. But even after that one more high, then I would assume the wave 2 starts, because it would simply delay the wave 2. So either wave 2 is unfolding now or one more high. Both wave counts bullish. I think that's important. And I am focused generally on higher prices as long as the 78.6 retracement level down there is holding at $3.96. Ideally, I don't even want the price to get below the 61.8 retracement. The reason is that this was a previous breakout point, and it's also likely going to put the price back into the price channel if that golden ratio level breaks. So ideally, even though as a standard, I'm tracking the 78.6 retracement as key support, but really I think below $4.32, which is the 61.8 retracement level, things are going to get very difficult. Yeah. Okay, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. On X or X and Twitter and Instagram, you find additional updates, signals, short-term market updates here and there. Not as frequent as in the membership, but still. Also, there's some additional stuff like mindset posts, stuff about trading, technical analysis, and Elliott Wave that could be helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.